we're now starting to get into a little more exciting times in terms of Shiba Inu. Obviously, we're setting this uptrend, which is very exciting, very nice. And I'm sure people are liking the fact that we're not just seamlessly dropping and dropping and dropping anymore. And I will say that there are people that get into crypto at the right time, people that get in the wrong time. Some people see mostly red before they end up just dumping their bags. And some people, all they see is green. In fact, a lot of people that I've talked to in my daily life that have gotten in later on in the cycle, they're seeing a lot of green right now, especially since they bought over the last few weeks. Now, what I want people to remember is that although things are looking green and we're going on this nice run, and hopefully this is our next extension, our next parabolic move to the upside, right? People need to understand that these times will come again. There will be periods of time where we do, in fact, just seemingly drop, right? Long, extended periods of boringness. And I know I've said this before, and people really need to get this engraved in your brain, is that crypto doesn't always just run up and to the right. Most of it, in fact, is quite boring, frankly, okay? When we look at Shiba Inu in the past, although it did, you guys can see how much percentage gain, right? Huge percentage gains. But that doesn't mean that along the way, there weren't times of suck. There were. This doesn't even track all of them, but you guys can see here, period of consolidation, multi-week period of consolidation, multi-weeks. This is multiple months, right? This is after Vitalik did his burn. You guys can see basically from May until October, 5 months of just sideways trading, nothing happening. Those periods do take place. And you need to know that Shiba Inu will probably do one of those again. Now, the exciting thing is that, we're getting into times where you have heightened optics, where we're going to have accelerated inflows. And the great thing about Shiba Inu is that the optics are as big as they are. It's funny because I've seen people say, oh yeah, other coins are catching up and there's more competition in the space. Yeah, you know what? That's fine. I understand that. But the thing is if there's other competition in the space, but nobody out there seeing them, or frankly, those other coins aren't as accessible, Shiba Inu is going to continue being one of the most dominant assets in all of crypto. Top 3 in optics. When volume is really surging, top 3 in volume. It's cemented itself as a blue chip crypto, and it's likely going to continue climbing to cement that even further. I talked about the fact that Shiba Inu is, again, a top 10 asset, and it's likely to never leave the top 10 ever again. Don't be surprised if this market cycle, if it really does take a stab at the top 5. I've said that before as well. We obviously need to continue to see holders increase. There needs to continue to be good optics. Good price performance is going to help with that. And the fact that so many people are long-minded when it comes to Shiba Inu really helps that, right? Buying all the SHIB, removing it from exchanges, people not wanting to sell and dump on the charts. Yes, there are going to be people that sell along the way. I'm going to be taking profit along the way, right? I've done videos talking about that. But all these things are great for Shiba Inu. Just know, again, that it doesn't mean that there won't be times that, frankly, suck. So I appreciate you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hopefully we really take off soon here. We're really setting up great in this formation that we've talked about. We're following this exact trend that we discussed, and hopefully the rest of the market ends up being conducive here towards that next leg to the upside. So appreciate you guys as always. Have a great day. I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.